knows my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now.
This is an easy way to play You Are the Reason by Calum Scott. A special shout out for requesting this song, but if you're wanting to play this whole song, there are only 4 parts to learn. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you're going to play is this B flat major chord. Now you'll notice in the right hand for all of these chords, my fingers are quite stretched out. I'm playing that F and that F. If you're finding it difficult to stretch your fingers that far, just play the bottom 2 notes of every chord and don't worry about playing that note up there, but I will demonstrate that for the purpose of this tutorial. So we've got this B flat chord, and then we're just going to move the left hand to make that a G minor 7 chord. Then we're going to just move the left hand again, an E flat sus2, and then just move those 2 fingers to make that an F, and then we're just going to go back to that B flat major chord again. Now there's a couple of ways to play this. For the intro, we're just going to play these bottom 2 notes in the right hand, and we're going to play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then to the next chord, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the whole song has this feel. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, F major, and then back to the beginning, B flat. Right, now when I play the verse, I like to play it with this rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, like that. And one thing you can do as well is add in that top note there. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. So this is for the verses, all of the verses and the intro to the song. All of them have these same chords. Alright, let's move on to part 2. This is for the pre-chorus. I'd climb every mountain. We're going to start with this B flat over D. So the right hand stays the same as the last section. We're just playing that note in the left hand. Then we're going to go to this E flat sus chord, just moving the left hand again. To that F chord we learnt in the first part. To a G minor 7 like this. Then we play those chords again. B flat over D, just to be with you. To the F, and fix what I... Here we go to the B flat major, and to the F again. And that's the pre-chorus. So, I'd climb every mountain. 1, 2, 3, then every ocean. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, and fix what I've broken, to the F major. And that leads us into part 3, which is the chorus. We're going to go to a G minor 7 as we've played before, and here's a new chord, F over A, like that, to a B flat as we've learnt before, B flat over D, just move that left hand, E flat sus, and here's this beautiful E flat minor 6 add 9. That's a long title, but all you need to play is these notes and you'll make that sound. And then finishing on that B flat. So timing wise it goes, 'cause I need you to see, to, and then change E flat minor 6, that you are the reason. Now at the end of the second chorus, we don't play a B flat there. We will go straight into the bridge, which I'm going to show you right now. This is the last part you need to learn. Now we've learned all of these chords, but we'll go through them here. E flat sus2, I don't want to fight no more. To the F major, I don't want to hide no more. G minor 7, F over A, B flat, and then B flat over D. And then we literally just play those chords again. Be a little closer now, just a little closer now, come a little closer now, to the B flat, and then B flat over D, then 2 more chords, E flat sus2, and then finishing on that F major chord. Now if you want to see the timing for that, have a listen to the demonstration at the end. But that is how all 4 parts go. Have a practice of those and then you'll be able to play the whole song. Remember, all of the verses have the same chords, all of the pre-choruses have the same chords, as well as all the choruses, they have the same chords as well. Alright, let's have a jam through this.
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. I don't wanna fight no more, I don't wanna hide no more, I don't wanna cry no more. Come back, I need you to hold me a little closer now, just a little closer now. Come a little closer, I need you to hold me tonight. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'Cause I need you to see that you are the reason